So this one is an Alienware Aurora R6 computer. I've got it connected to a Vizio TV at the moment. And funny thing about this computer, well, let's take a look at the outputs, input output area. All you have for output, really, video output, is a HDMI cable on a Radeon video card. Yeah, video. Where does it say Radeon? Yeah, you can see it, Radeon. Just want to make sure you can see it. And I do have this side piece, by the way, but that's the only way you can see video. It might be another way. Huh. Anyway, so the thing is, okay, so that's video, but you see you got your USB ports for your keyboard and mouse, but here's the deal. When you try to install Windows, think about this from beginning to end. At the very beginning, you start up the computer, it gives you the splash screen, and if you want, you can go into the settings, the BIOS settings, and you can use the keyboard there. You can even go into diagnostics, and you can use the mouse there. But then, when you tell it to go ahead and try to install Windows, if you don't have anything installed, Windows will not access those USB ports. That's important because now, how do you click OK or next, to go to the next screen to install Windows? You can't do it. It will not recognize the keyboard and the mouse. I've tried a dozen keyboards and a dozen mouses. None of them will work. So, thinking outside the box, I mean, I even tried USB, installing, besides just a CD area to install, okay. I tried all kinds of different ways. No matter what, Windows would not install. So I thought outside the box, and I went to my Ubuntu stuff. And finally, the third version of Ubuntu I try to install gives me it. I now have mouse power. See, I can move my mouse. I got keyboard on here. And when I installed it, it said Ubuntu 20.04.6 LTS is out. Would I like to upgrade? I said, well, yeah, go ahead and upgrade. So I did the upgrade. It took it about an hour. So this Alienware computer, at present, it only has 8 gigabytes of RAM. It can have up to 64 gigabytes. This is the version of Ubuntu that I was able to download, burn to DVD, and actually install. And that one worked. And then I upgraded to the Ubuntu 20. So, I don't know what that one's called, but yeah. Anyway, and it's 64-bit. So, we're good to go, right? Now, in this computer, we have an i5 7400 CPU running at 3 gigahertz. Very, very nice. I believe the times 4 means it's a quad-core processor. The graphics, as I was explaining a while ago, is the Radeon. And it says 1.3 terabytes for disk capacity. I do have a 1 terabyte hard drive in there. But I also have a secondary hard drive, a smaller one, which I might go ahead and remove that because it's not really needed. Ubuntu is installed on the 1 terabyte. I really hate the fact that Ubuntu was the only one that would install. I'm not very fond of Ubuntu because to me it's not very user friendly because I am accustomed to Windows. But from what I understand, Ubuntu can do almost everything that Windows can do. I installed Google Chrome, and with Google Chrome, you can go to Pluto TV. So we're kind of watching Indiana Jones, Raiders of the Lost Ark at the moment. But I can scroll down and choose other things with Pluto. Jeepers Creepers too, dude. Yeah, there you go. So anyway, yeah, lots of stuff to watch. The Quick and the Dead. Oh, that one's going off. Wah. Anyway, so you got your different TV stuff that you can watch, no matter what. And this is the screen that comes up after the upgrade. So I am actually trying to sell this computer, the Alienware. Um, I may end up having to give it away, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Somebody might want to buy it before anybody else gets it, so we'll see about that. Anyway, catch y'all later on the other side, I suppose.